Not enough people talk about how delicious this dessert is. It's truly amazing. Just look at the inside. And if I also tell you that it's gluten-free with no flour, what do you think about that? It's amazing. Just look at it. Incredible. It turns out spectacular. You have to make it at home and share it with your loved ones. Wow, pure wonder. And let me tell you, it's also super easy to make in 30 minutes. You have it on the table. How do you feel about that? Good morning, I'm Viti. This is Grandma's Kitchen, and today we're going to make a spectacular cake. Wait, today I'm going to show it. It looks like Pac-Man because it's missing a piece, since I've already eaten it. But so you can see what you'll have left if you keep going until the end. First ingredient, 7 large eggs, size L. If they're small, use 8. We separate the yolks from the whites and start working with the yolks. Use an electric mixer to do it in 20 seconds and beat the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Like this, look, super airy. Second ingredient, lemon. We only need the peel. Grate it. I think the peel of half a lemon is enough. See there? Set it aside. Now, let's move on to the egg yolks. Pour them into a bowl. This is going to give it great flavor and also a lot of color. Add the lemon zest you had set aside and get ready for the next ingredient. Sugar. 260 grams of sugar that we add to the bowl. And here, have you guessed? We beat it, this time with a hand whisk, among other things so we don't damage the bowl, which is made of earthenware. Come on, in 20 seconds you'll have it. Almond flour. Next ingredient, 260 grams. In it goes. People who have problems with gluten can eat this flour, and it's also delicious. We also add it to the mixture until we have something like this. Do you see how it looks like crumbs? Here we're going to add our super whipped, super airy egg whites, and we do it little by little with gentle folding movements. I assure you it comes together super quickly and you'll have this step ready in no time. Come on, little by little. I think I'm going to do it in about 4 parts. As soon as you have everything well mixed, you'll have a cream like this with a lot of air inside and a lot of flavor. This way, the almond flour will stick without any problem. We pour it into a 21 centimeter mold, that's the one I have, and I've put a piece of parchment paper on the bottom and also greased it with butter. Because a prepared man is worth 2. Into the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees with the oven preheated. With the ingredients we've used and in our mold, we're going to get 8 or 10 generous servings. If you want more, use a bigger mold and keep multiplying, you can make it like a giant pizza. After some time, it will look amazing. Wait for it to cool before removing it from the mold so you don't burn your fingers. Sprinkle with powdered sugar, for example, and it's ready. Well, that's the traditional recipe. The finishing touch is with powdered sugar. But I'm telling you, if you sprinkle a little cinnamon on top, it turns out even better. More aroma and a little more flavor. Well, here you have the final result. On the table, a spectacular almond dessert. An almond tart with an amazing texture and an incredible flavor. You can't miss it. It looks amazing, right? Shall we dig in? The little spoon? It looks amazing. You have to make it. You're going to love it. Delicious. Look at this almond cake. Look at the inside. How moist it is. Wow. This is wonderful. A little piece. Wow. You have to make this recipe. It's super good. For almond. I'll leave the ingredients over there, wherever they fit. Also in the text box and throughout the video, so that no one gets lost. Talking with your mouth full? Nope. Come on, thanks for coming. Love you all, subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified. When I'm about to upload a video, which I do a lot, leave your like, it all adds up. Love you all, bye. See you in the next one.